Okay. Micah, you want to read everybody your book? Ready? Let's open the page.
Yes.
If I can get it. All right. Ready? Go.
2.
Start with this.
1. 1, 2.
Very good. Next page.
1, 2. Tigers. 3. 3 dogs. 4. 3 sandals. 5. 3 pigs.
Very good. You just read your book.
More.
You want to read it again?
Yes.
How about you sing a song real fast? My goodness. How about you do your ABCs?
Hold it.